Hey guys, it's Reza back here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys why I prefer Guilded over Discord. There are a few reasons, and I love Guilded for, and there's also a few reasons that I don't like Guilded, but I mean I'm going to stick with Guilded because there's more that I like than wrong. Um, there are a few things that I do like, so first of all, let's just get into the settings. So we got the overview. You can upload a custom banner for free, avatars, whatever. um, um, you can get a custom URL. So if I wanted to go over here and type gilded.gg/Frezai, I can just hit enter, and then it would take me right to my server. Um, server type, community, and stuff like that. And then we got roles. Sorry. So we got roles. I do like the rolling system, kind of. It's a little bit complicated because of how much you can do, but that's just, that's just how much you can do, honestly. So you got roles and stuff like that. And then you got bots, all right? So bots are important because you can create your own bot like I did, Vezai's Utilities, without going to a third-party software and creating your own custom bot. So I created a bot called Vezai's Utilities, and basically if I go to edit, these are all the things I made. So if say for example, I'll just create a channel real quick called bot, and then say I wanted to report somebody, I can do exclamation point report or exclamation point report, say player, and then basically it would say hello, my username. Oh, my bad. Hello, username, and then our support team will get to you shortly. That's so nice because I didn't even need to code that. I just went into the settings, go to bots. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I could just go right to the bot and then hit edit. And then I mean, it's just nice to do that, Or for XP, for when somebody levels up. For example, this guy, he's level 10, or from other these people, they're level 3. I mean, that's what you get when you first join the server. But I mean, it's nice because you get automatic XP levels, which is really cool. Um, so for the bots, you can create your own custom bot. You can add stuff. So say we wanted to add when the member joined, you would just hit select and then say any means, or you can even make an invite tracker or with an invite code created whatever, you know. So if we wanted to only do the codes, so with the AKJZ4JOK, we do that and then hit next, and then we'll see how many people join with that exact code, which is really cool. Um, Groups, for example. So you can create your own groups from here, create your own tournaments from there. I have two current groups right now, so I have Fortnite Creative and Creators Cafe, and basically, the reason why I the reason why I mainly love Guild is because you could create your own custom groups. So, for example, see how all these channels are here? See how all these channels are. What the hell? See how all these channels are here and it's a little bit complicated? Well, if you were on Discord, you'd have to make more channels for different groups and stuff. But on Guilded, it's not that complicated, honestly. It's just, you got community, you got public creation. It's not that complicated. But it's just like there's a bunch of channels. But then again, if you go on to another group, there's more channels, but for that specific groups, and it makes it a lot more organized. So this is for creative for Fortnite, and this is for Creators Cafe, which is a subgroup to my main server, and basically you can advertise your own community, your YouTube, your Twitch, your people we collab with, and then like for other, you can do Gilded Discord, you can do um, Twitter, like you can do all these, Instagram, you can do all these in this subgroup of my server, and people will go to this, and then people will, hey, I mean, people, who are looking for underrated YouTubers, they'll go into the YouTube channel, and then they'll look for underrated YouTubers. So that's just some of the reasons why I like subgroups. Okay, so let's go to emotes. You can upload a unlimited amount of emotes. As you can see, I uploaded a ton already, and it's really easy too. All you gotta do is go to emote.gg, and then I think I turned off my ad blocker. Yeah. No, emote.gg slash maybe, I'm not sure. Shoot, what was it? Shit, emotes. I'm not sure. Emote.gg. Emo. Oh, it's emoji.gg. My bad. Okay, so basically you can upload custom packs, and you go to packs, and then say I wanted say I wanted I don't know. We could just look at some of these. So say I wanted this Winnie the Pooh, right? Say I wanted these emotes. I just go to more options, hit copy, and then I go back into the server, and then I could just upload those emotes real quick. I don't even have to do anything, and I just hit import, and then they'll be in my server, and then I can actually chat with them, and then go into Winnie the Pooh. Where are they? And then I can just put the Winnie the Pooh in here. Another reason why I like this, is that you can click right on your message and then say hi, and then create a thread, which is, I mean, Discord has it, a lot of other apps have it, but I mean, it's just nice. And I'll just delete this thread because, yeah. Um, so that's for emotes, notifications, pretty self-explanatory, integrations. You can upload Discord server templates. So if I go into my no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. But you get the point. You can upload custom, or you can upload your Discord server onto this. Which honestly, I don't really like that, because it does say for the, I don't know, the Discord channel, it'd be like imp info dash channel, which I don't really like that, because it has that little dash, and then you gotta like do all this other stuff. I'd rather just retype it, to be honest. But that's my personal opinion. Um, so we got integrations, we got Twitch extension, so add your guilded server so that basically you can, if I go to my Twitch real quick, follow Twitch at um, twitch.tv/redzeye. But you know,
The first
so
four that they
if
won.
I go to my
Am I
page
pushing
here,
for Pred still? Really?
if I go to my page here, I can actually go to edit panels, and then I can add a not sure. I know you can do it, but I'm not sure where you can. Yeah, I think I have to activate it. You view all extensions, and then I know you can do it. I'm not sure where it is, but I know you can do it. Basically, you can add your server onto your Twitch bio, which is actually really cool. Another reason you can do Patreon, which I'm not. You can connect it, but I mean that's up to you, to be honest. I personally like the subscriptions, which I'll get to. Widgets, self-explanatory. You just, widgets. You can put it into your website and stuff like that. And then this would be micro widget, small widget. That's what it looks like. And then this is the large widget. It just gives you the full thing. I'll just put on small because I actually like that. Webhooks, pretty self-explanatory. You can put your Twitter, your Instagram. You can put others using IFTT. I no wait, ITTT. I'm not sure. It's one of those. Level rewards, as I explained, you can do level rewards. So basically, you just go to roles, and then say for level 600, you create another role for level 600, and you go to level rewards, and then add a level reward. You pick the role, and then change it to um, the the actual level. So for subscriptions, which is really cool, instead of Discord Nitro, I mean, you have all the features, but instead of Discord Nitro, which I actually really like, so basically instead of paying for Discord Nitro to get features on your server, you already have those features, but you get paid directly from your members. So you can do, like, I don't know, giveaways, or like copper giveaways or something like that. But basically, or copper roll giveaways. But basically, what you do is that um, if somebody buys this from you, a certain percentage of money goes to you, and then a certain percentage of money goes to Gilded, which I actually really like that, because you're getting paid directly, and um, you can get a decent amount of money from this. Invites, bans, pretty self-explanatory. I mean, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory there. Roles. So I went over all this. Let's get into the channels, okay? So for example, for the text channel, it's pretty self-explanatory. It has it in Discord. I mean, I could go to Sounds World real quick and then go to text channels. They have text channels, okay? Text, pretty self-explanatory. Um, then you got announcement channels, which I actually really like because in Discord you have to type it. It's not really an announcement channel. It's just like you have to type everything, and it's not really an announcements channel. This is like an actual announcements channel. You can type, "Hello, this is an announcement," and then you can type, "This is an announcement." So then I just hit post, and then that's what it looks like. And then you can even pin it, so that's what the pin looks like, and it's really cool in my opinion. And then I'll just delete it because I don't need it. Another announcement channel, you can create your rules, which I have to update this because I'm not really in love with how the rules look. But basically, when you join the server, for example, um, you can actually take off your verify and give it back to you. But basically, when you join my server, what it looks like is that this is the welcome page. So this is what it looks like when you join. So has joined, and it gives you a little welcome message basically. But this is the welcome and rules, okay? So when you join, what you're gonna do is you're gonna read the rules. I mean, you don't have to, but I strongly recommend it to read the rules just so then you get an overview of what to do and what not to do of the server. But basically, that's the rules, all right? So once you're done reading the rules, click the verified role and choose add me to this role, which I really like. Instead of reaction roles, you just put the actual role there and then, yeah. And for another reason, if you go back into the rules here, you can actually make it so where it's self-assignable, self-assignable, mentionable. I have all these as non-assignable and mentionable, but yeah, that's pretty much me. But I add NA East and there NA East, West, Europe, worldwide, male, female, verified. Those are all self-assignable rules. And basically, when you just join my server, you assign. I got Grammarly over there, but you can assign yourself the verified role, and that's how you get verified on the server. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. How to get verified and stuff. But settings, not settings, channels. We got the text channel, we got the announcement channel, and then we got the suggestions. Not really suggestions. I mean, we could just go here. Not really suggestions, but we got a streaming channel, which I have over here, and this is what it looks like. So server streams, and you just stream your server, which is really cool. You can turn on your screen, your camera, and stuff like that. More text channels. Another reason for art, you can post like this guy. He just posted his art, which is really cool. And this is photography. That's my dog right there. And then this is another announcement channel. You can do voice channels, which I actually really thought this was really cool because so for example, Fortnite. Okay, so for Fortnite, you could have different text channels or different not text channels, different voice channels, and and you can go into it's like a folder system, right? You go like for your folder. Don't judge me. I have a lot of recent shit. Yeah. But basically it's like folders. You go into say data and then you would go to games and then it's a folder system basically, which I actually really or not a folder system, but you get the point. But you could go to Fortnite, right? Or you could go to Fortnite and then you could go to and you can add say duo into general and it's just and you can go on and on. But I thought that was cool because if I want to go to Fortnite, I can click duo, or if I want to go to Minecraft, I can click um I don't know, hardcore or something like that, which I actually really thought that was really cool. And it's really simple too. All you got to do is just hit add a voice room and then you just say hardcore and then you just hit enter and then you just plug in right under Minecraft. I'm going to delete that because oh, um how do I go about deleting? Oh yeah, you just right click and delete. Which I actually really thought it was cool. And then you don't need to have like 20 different voice channels underneath of it because it just takes up space. But you can go right over here and you just hit Fortnite and it's really simple. You can also text while you're in a voice channel, so you don't need to go to chat, and then it just makes it all confusing. This makes it so much simpler. And then you got public creations. Now, I did make an index channel on like what roles you need to be in order to post here and stuff like that. But that's just pretty cool. For okay, so I'm gonna go over all the voice or not voice, but channel types. You got streaming, voice. You got the calendar system. So basically, um, if you want to post like for your calendar and stuff, if you want to post stuff like upcoming events or stuff like that, that's what the calendar could be used for, or it could just be used for personal use. You got scheduling, announcements, forums, which is really cool. You got the list, you got documents, and you got media. Media I already went over. Documents, pretty self-explanatory. If I just name it docs, and then this is how you create a doc, and then I'll just name the title, and I just hit publish, and that's what a document looks like in Gilded. Which I'm just gonna delete this channel because I don't need it. You can create a forum, which this is what it looks like. Forum, you just create a topic and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And there's also a few other customizations. So for like if I went to my profile, you can create like a custom feed on your own profile. You can put media, you can put forums, you can put all these different types of you messages on your own profile. You can link your profile, you could put games on your profile. So this is what it looks like. So what games you play, and then like they can see like what's your epic name for Fortnite and stuff like that, which is really cool. This is games. This is your media channel, so you can add media to this. So if I want to add, say, I don't know, my dog. If I want to add my dog up to my profile, I can, and I'm just gonna put a blue there, and then put done, and that's what it looks like. This is the servers in. It's only visible to you though, so people can't just like look and want to see what servers you're in. This is your friends list, applications, and what I thought was really cool was it tells you how you joined, right, in your actual profile. I'm sorry if this video is like all over, but there's just so much. There's just so much about Gilded that I love. Um, so this is when you join and stuff. This is and then personally, I made it so where it's like use legacy. I put on use legacy navigation because if I take this off, I would have to press this little server button, which is really annoying in my opinion. But that's just me. I'm gonna put this back on because I don't like that navigation system. I like everything down at the bottom here. It's not as clean, but it's a lot more simpler for me to navigate around the app, and I don't need to click two different things to get to one place, but that's just me. These are my servers. I mean, it's self-explanatory. This is mine. Roles, same. I just went over that. So I'm gonna go over at the bottom now. So this is your activity. You can put your custom act. Oh wait, no, that's not it. My bad. That's what you've done. That's your activity, literally. This is your status, right? You can put an emoji on there. I mean, I think Discord can do that too. You can not sure what that was, but you can just, those are like some examples that you can do. So you just put it some days you can't get rid of one, I don't know. But that's your custom status, which is really cool. You can put animated emojis too from your servers, from anything like that. Um, and creating a server is actually, pretty easy too. All you got to do is put in a name, title, Rezi, and then I would hit continue, and then you would just create your own server, and then you can add custom games, stuff like that. Continue, let's go, and then that's your server. I mean, this is what it looks like, and yeah, it's pretty simple, and you get Howdy and XP bot. That's what I have, but I just made it so where I have my own XP bot and my own welcome bot because I don't like having two bots do the same thing basically as my one bot, but that's me. And then all you gotta do is you just hit settings, or no, my bad. You hit settings over here to delete it. So I'm just gonna go out and disband server, and then I'm gonna just go disband server, and I'm just gonna hit disband, which is um, this is tournaments. You can have some tournaments, which is really cool. So if you want to have like a scrim or something like that, or if you want to have like a Rocket League tournament, I'm not really sure like what a Rocket League tournament would look like, but you know, that's up to you. There's a bunch of Rocket League here. You can create your own tournament. You can join other tournaments. And you can go. So if I go home, you can go matchmaking. You can find a matchmaking for, I don't know, for Fortnite. I guess I'm not sure. But that's pretty cool. I mean, that's just to add a feature. You can find a server. You can find a server by games, what you're interested in, and your status would be like what game. Like it would be somebody who would contact you to join their server because you like that specific game and you're looking for what you're looking for. But that's up to you. Explore players. You can explore people. You can explore you can contact like other people. Like you can make more friends on here. Online now, top supported, which I'm not really sure about. Online now, fresh faces, trending posts. So like that's what they posted on their profile, like this. And it's honestly, it could be what I could say bad about Gilded, but I think they are working on it because they did partner with Roblox. Um, what what I could say about Gilded is that they're not the best. Everything is a bit delayed. Okay, I don't have a lot running right now. I have Discord and Gilded. If I go to my task manager, um, okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, so I'm using 14% of my, 6%, 4%, 3%. I'm using 4% of my CPU and 53% of my memory. Um, Not the best, right? Gilded is using almost quadruple. No, not quadruple. Like I don't know, like fucking 8 times the amount. But I just there are downsides to Gilded. I wouldn't say Gilded is the best, like in that category. Discord obviously is only using 200, and Gilded is using 1800. But Discord, I mean, Gilded has its upsides and its downsides. I'm not going to say Gilded is the best in every single category. I'm not going to say that Discord is the best in every single category. Discord obviously has its upsides and downsides, but in my opinion, I mean, I can run Gilded smoothishly, and that's all I need. You can explore players and explore servers. Um, so for exploring servers, uh, you can explore public servers that people want you to join. This is verified servers, so there's some with over 900 members and there's some with 52 members. I've contacted them about verifying my service, and then I can grow it and you know stuff like that. If you want a tutorial on how to grow your Gilded server, then make sure to contact me. But yeah, this is all your verified servers, your top supported servers, and this is your popular servers, which I'm assuming, which is just people you have to apply to get in, and they don't really make it. They don't really accept people, or I mean, if they do, it's whatever. But yeah, Discord, great. Um, there are a few more features that I probably didn't cover, but there's just so much to cover. You can click this little more or this little three dots at the bottom right, and you can do a referral program, support, feedback, and basically it's just how to contact them. I've already went over that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can upload your own custom banner. It's not animated, which sucks, but I mean, what more can you ask for? Um, if you guys do want to check out my Gilded server, I mean, be sure to check it out. I'm trying to grow it as much as possible. I mean, if you want a tutorial on how to grow it or other tutorials about Gilded, I'll be sure to do that. If you guys need to contact me, I mean, I'm always active on my server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I have nothing more to cover. Um, or at least I don't think I do. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, peace out.